The concept of green soul living, a term that emerged in the late 1980s among environmentalists and conservationists, refers to an approach advocating for the integration of nature into urban environments through sustainable practices such as green roofs, vertical gardens, and natural water filtration systems. This idea gained traction initially in cities like Vancouver, Canada, where policies promoting greener spaces helped foster early adoption. Over time, green soul living has expanded globally, with many cities implementing similar strategies to improve air quality and reduce heat island effects caused by concrete surfaces. Key developments include the rise of green roofs on skyscrapers in major cities such as New York and Tokyo beginning in the 2000s. These structures not only provide insulation, but also significantly mitigate urban heat islands, leading to a reduction of carbon emissions from HVAC systems by up to 70%. According to the World Green Building Council, WGC, green building practices have resulted in approximately a 3% increase in energy efficiency per year worldwide. The economic benefits are evident as well. In addition to reducing operating costs for businesses and residential buildings, green spaces contribute to property value appreciation. A study by the National Renewable Energy Laboratory found that properties with green roofs commanded an average of $52 more per square foot compared to similar structures without them. This phenomenon has led to innovative financing mechanisms like green bonds, which have been particularly successful in Europe, where they accounted for 18% of all bond issuance related to climate action. However, there are also challenges. Initial costs can be prohibitive, and public acceptance may lag behind scientific evidence supporting these practices' efficacy. Despite these hurdles, the future outlook is promising. By 2050, it is estimated that green spaces will account for at least 1/3 of all new construction in major urban areas globally, a projection supported by advancements in sustainable technology and growing environmental consciousness among populations worldwide. This shift towards more natural environments not only enhances human well-being, but also mitigates climate change impacts, aligning with broader global commitments like the Paris Agreement goals to limit warming below 2 degrees Celsius by mid-century.